So let's take an overview look at this EasiStore 340R by Flymo. This is really nicely balanced for lifting around. That's the first thing I've noticed after I've built this. There is a little bit of assembly to do with this, such as put the grass box together, but all the cables and everything come connected. You've got the quick release handles at the top and at the bottom. You've got 5 different height settings here, as you can see here. One handy point you can move all this from, and these are only 11 kilograms total in weight, with 35 litres in the grass box. But the main thing is this actually does have a roller on the back. A lot of people think that this doesn't have a roller on. So because this is unplugged, I'm going to turn this over and I'll show you this roller here. And what this does is, it's really handy if you're getting really close to the edges of the grass. You can kind of hang them over the edge and cut right to the edge of the grass without the mower kind of tipping down into the flower beds, and it really does work quite well. So you've got this grass box here. As you can see, this is actually plastic. It comes in 3 parts. When you build this, you pop this in here. It's actually got an indicator on as well, so you can take a look in here. It goes open. You can see when you're using it, you can see if the grass box is full, with a rear roller on the back. It's also got a safety feature built in as well. So if I plug this in, just to show you this, if you pull the handles, it doesn't work until you've pressed this button in the centre, and you can use either handle or both. So if you've got children to come up to the mower after you've emptied the grass box and accidentally get a hold of this, it ain't going to start. So you can use either handle or you can use both. As soon as you let go of that, it's going to stop. So 1400 watts of power, so quite a powerful little mower. This is electric, it is corded, it doesn't have a battery in. So really straightforward. Plug it into the wall socket, you can get yourself out and get your grass cut. So a really lightweight, transportable lawnmower, and can also be stored hung on a wall as well. Storage wise, with these handles as well, these are kind of quick release, so you just pull these up like this. You can fold the handles down and then they quickly go back up again as well. So all in all, really simple electric mower, fairly easy to assemble, easy to move about, and ideal for the average homeowner.